last couple of years there have been several studies done into the safety of dancers in the studio and on stage. We were seeing a lot of injuries. And every now and again, there are universities or education institutions who will start studies so that they can make sure that they keep up to date with the latest scientific breakthroughs in keeping dancers, athletes, safe as they do what they do. Now, one of the big injuries that dancers and ballerinas and ballet dancers in particular tend to suffer from is lower leg injuries. Knees, ankles, feet, metatarsals, toe joints, etc. So a study was done in Australia in association with the Australian Ballet Theatre, I believe. I will check that. And they discovered that if dancers at the end of their warm-up did a series of rises, they would reduce the injury time significantly. So for our rises, we're going to start in what we call a parallel first. Feet together, toes pointing the same direction. And we're going to try and keep our legs nice and straight as we do some rises. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then open to first position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, feet together.